So this is our dough. It has actually proved up quite a lot actually from earlier today. So what we're going to be doing is putting this on the top, molding it up, and we're going to put it into this tin. It's a £2 tin. I've got no idea what it's going to come out like because I've not used this tin for anything else but smaller bread. Hoping this will be the right one. So let's get them out on the table. Oh yes, looks good, doesn't it? That's going to be a nice soft one, isn't it? Give them a stretch out. Pull them out both ways. Let's go that way as well. And this way. Oh, that's starting to feel a really lovely loaf. And that's it. We'll just pop them straight into a tin. Like that. And there we go. So I'm going to put that straight into the fridge now. And I believe that's going to probably take a good 5 to 6 hours to prove in the fridge. Just to clarify, this is homemade yeast, all right? It's a little bit different to a sourdough starter, but it is very much the same. The difference is you can make this faster than you can ordinary sourdough starter. And you're not going to have any problems with this. Look at those little bubbles on the top there now, working away. Right, and that just lives in the fridge. Laters!